And next in the line, we also have Ozone Test Chamber. This is for the testing of color fastness of the fabrics to ozone. The ozone is also a very common contamination, contamination in the atmosphere. It is also very strong kind of oxidate, which can cause the dye in the fabric to change color. So that's why we need this kind of machine to test the color fastness of the specimens. This machine is a self-containing unit, so it produces ozone inside the machine, and it also decomposes the ozone inside the machine. It is used in a room temperature environment, and you can put it in your lab directly without the need of any ventilation cabinet or something like that. We have English and Chinese version of the touchscreen. On the touchscreen, you can change the target ozone concentration and then the test time. Usually, in most standards, we set the target ozone concentration to 5 ppm, and this machine can go from 0 ppm to 8 ppm maximum. So it is a range of values that you can choose from. Also for the test, usually we will do a 4.5-hour test, and you can see here that we also monitor the relative humidity and the temperature of the environment. The machine starts when you press the run button, and then it will control the concentration of the ozone inside automatically to plus or minus 0.1 ppm. And at the back of the machine, there is a easy to reach, easy to maintain a box of ozone catalyst, which can decompose the ozone before it is exhausted into the lab. We also have a door sensor. If you open the door during the test, they will sound an alarm because, as we all know, ozone is harmful to humans. So if you open the door before the test, you will not be able to do the test. And if you open the door during the test, the machine will sound an alarm. All the values inside can be calculated, like the ozone concentration, the relative humidity, and the temperature. All the values can be calibrated and provides good traceability. This tester conforms to testing standard AATCC 109, ISO 105G03, and GBT 11039.3. As for consumables, for this machine, the only consumable is the ozone catalyst. The ozone catalyst, once you change the ozone catalyst, it can use for about 5 to 6 months if you use it every day for 8 hours.